Morning everyone present here, respected judges, teachers coming from different school, and all our brothers and sisters coming from different school and colleges. My name is Rustom Killing and I'm from St. Thomas High School. Today our topic is on mobile phone. I'm going to talk about disadvantage on mobile phone.
I'm going to talk about advantage. Advantage, mobile phone. From mobile phone, we all know AI, right? We can take the answers from AI. As AI helps us in many ways, we can ask anything. Example, if in school our teacher asks to do any homework or if we don't know, then it is simple, right? We all used to ask for AI, right? So, first point is one, but now second point. Mobile phone help us in clicking photos, editing, and also in many ways, like doing assignment. Third point, from mobile phone we can also order clothes. We can also order food for our well-being. Thank you, that's all.
Disadvantage of mobile phone is so that when we use a mobile phone a lot of time, we doesn't know what we have to do after our using mobile phone. But we spend on it. It is disadvantage because when we use our mobile phone, it is dangerous to our health. And when we use a mobile phone, we are sleepless as well. Most of the boys are attracted to the mobile phone because they play games, right? And especially the girls, they use mobile phone for making reels. I'm standing in front of you all as a boy. Yes, it is disadvantage for me as well as I play games a lot. I'm not shy to tell you all because I play game. It is the truth. And here most of the boys that play game. It is disadvantage to all and it is not useful. It is very bad. But thank you.
And I'm standing here to debate. And my topic of debate is advantage of social media.
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Krishna Rai from Bila High Secondary School. And I'm taking a topic of disadvantages of social media.
So without wasting any time, let us begin. Social media is helpful to us because it helps us to solve many life problems and it is also useful in solving mathematical problems using Googles and all.
He said that social media is very useful, but I argue him because due to social media, most of the youth have been distracted from their academic life as well as from their career. Social media makes them feel anxiety, depressed, and due to regular scrolling, their productivity has been lost. They do not exercise any games. They don't go outside for playing. They are just stuck with their mobile, with social media, counting their lives to be perfect on social media.
Yes, I quite agree, but using social media in limit is very helpful. It helps us for many things. The social media is such platform where we get to know many more knowledges. A book cannot give such kind of knowledges which a social media gives you a lot.
He said that social media will give him that one. But every knowledge that social media have is described from books only.
But social media, yeah, actually in today's generation we all have mobile phones. So we don't go for the books, we go for the social media. So social media is very useful.
Yes, he might be true a little bit. But due to social media, due to social media, most of the individuals are very much depressed. They cannot decide their future by looking into another's life. They thought, even my friend, when they sit with me, they are so depressed, like that, nothing. And when I will see their page on social media from different, I don't use social media. When I will see their photos, they are like the king, the queen, sitting here, resort, wherever, like they are very rich, but reality they ask money from me.
But going for it, in today's program, there are lots of students, right? Out of them, I make damn sure 99% of them will be having mobile phones, and in that, social media is there. Less of them would be bringing bags and books, but most of them, 99% of them would be having phones in their pocket. I make damn sure about it. So they are using social media in a proper way. Most of us are making videos which would influence the other people about this program, and they would get engaged to the program on the next Borjan event.
I don't agree, bro. We don't use social media. Does everyone use social media here? Does everyone have phone? No, bro, no.
That's just a saying. If I ask each and everyone, they would be saying my Insta name is
Bro, even I don't use. You can use my phone. Even I don't use social media.
Bro. Coming to the point. If I check it back, there would be mobile phone. There would be mobile phone here.
I don't use any social media. Go and check my phone.
Okay. He said any social media. WhatsApp is also a platform of social media, isn't it? Are you using WhatsApp?
No.
If I check a mobile phone, there would be social media on your phone.
Look, bro, social media has
most of the time,
the youth. Even ICJ has told Mark Zuckerberg, nudity is been live in social media. People have been getting the adult website, hanging their brain, hanging their life. Because of social media, there have been no any physical activity, no any prayer. Standing here in here, brother and sister even don't talk to each other. They were just tapping in their phone, busy with their answer. They don't even have time for their studies.
Okay, I quite agree. But staying at the point, most of the school notes have been sent in social media. How would you get that if you don't use social media?
Social media is designed to provide people some knowledge, not
from Life Foundation School, and my topic is about advantage of mobile phone.
Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Sonilekshmi Mengma, and I'm from Life Foundation School, Borjan. And my topic is disadvantage of mobile phone.
Nowadays, we can talk with our friends, family, and everyone by staying far from home through mobile phones, through video calls and audio call and all.
Because of this, we are communicate with social media. Because of this, we don't communicate with face to face with our relatives, our friends, and then this make us our distance to our family, friends, and this. Sometimes our family broke up, but if we have to face, we communicate like that, then our relationship go very well.
And about safety, we can call emergency service when we are on trouble or any trouble. Like if any accidents or something may happen, then then we can call emergency service. Like
I agree this, but through this mobile phone, even our health issues great. Through this mobile phone, our health
and about education facilities, nowadays, like if we are not understanding any topic given in school, then we can come at home and search it in AI or Google, and we can understand it properly. Like
I agree this is for a long distance education, but for me, I like that it should be face-to-face communication, and then the education should be
and about business, we can make money from online platform, and like we can earn money from online platform, and
because of this payment and all, many frauds and scams is created. And they cheat with the people. Thank you.
and college, and all my beloved brother and sister from different school and college. My name is kepachun, and I'm representing my school, Teron High School, and I'm currently studying in 10th standard. Today I'm going to deliver a message on advantage of mobile phones.
Good morning, respected judges, teachers. Myself, Lord T, and I'm from standard 10. Today my topic is about disadvantage of phone.
Mobile phones help us various youth in many things. Just like the advantage of mobile phone in student life is as mobile phone provide a wider range of apps like productivity tools, educational resources, and many other social media platforms. With the help of mobile phones, many youth are able to do some things.
If mobile phone use, it can destroy our future, because of if we use mobile phone, we always used to use social media. If we use social media, we used to see the reels, and it can injure our health.
I don't agree, bro. Social media is very advantage for us. With the help of social media, we can get various knowledge and various information from that.
If we use mobile phone, some are used at the driving time. It can cause of accidents.
No, I didn't agree that. With the help of mobile phone, during emergencies, we can call during emergencies or during anything we can call emergency service.
If we use more mobile phone, it can injure our eyes.
But if we use social media unlimited, we can get various knowledge, information, and others.
If we use more mobile phone, we always used to forget our works.
But nowadays, thousands of youth are in mobile phone, but with the help of mobile phones, their ability to do some things.
Most of the people, if they use mobile phone, they forgot to eat the dinner, her parents work, etc.
I agree a little bit, but they are dependent on their utilizations of mobile phone.
Most of the children, we can see that they use mobile phone and they are suffering from eyes problem. and they don't listen to their parents. If they don't get mobile phone, they used to cry.
No, I didn't agree that. With the help of mobile phone, we used to get various information, but with the help of mobile phones. And now, everyone's know AI, right? But with the help of AI, we can able to do the thing. Every event, every very tough mathematics solution also we are able to know. The formulas lie and all.
If we always ask for AI, then we will nothing learn from ourselves.
Nowadays, social media is more than knowledge. And nowadays, social media give us more knowledge than books.
Social media will not help our career. Social media will destroy our career, our education.
No, social media do not. No, mobile phone do not destroy our career. Mobile phone kills our career. With the help of mobile phone, we know various knowledge, technical skills, like and all.
If you always use mobile phone, then what you will do?
We can learn many resources from them. We can build our technical skills. We can build educational resources. We can build our profession.
If you always do from mobile, then we will what we will learn from ourselves. Tell me.
Nowadays, we learn from mobile phone more than from the books. Nowadays, we can solve every tough mathematics solution from the AI, like and all.
If you do not have resource, then what will you learn? What will you do?
Nowadays, money is available, bro.
If there is no internet, then
Nowadays, internet is available.
oh, there are some of the villages are not there.
With the advancement of 4G and 5G speed, nowadays the internet is available.
Then why some of the villages did not get internet properly?
That is dependent on the government, bro.
Then why do you talk about mobile phone then?
No, mobile phone is very important.
Good morning, everyone, respected dear judges, and all my dear friends. Myself, Takin Su from Belai High School, and today I'm going to talk about the advantage of mobile phone. Overall, mobile phone become an essential part of our daily life. From mobile phone, we can easily get the solution or formula, whatever. From mobile phone, it becomes easy for our daily life, etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning to our respected judges and to all my dear friends present here. Myself, Sarmon Hanse, and I am from Delhi High School, and today in this debate competition, my topic is about disadvantage. So my friend is saying that phone is very useful for nowadays, but I don't agree with that, because nowadays you look, my dear friend, a little child, or not a little child, but the infant also, they used to cry for the phone. When the parents didn't play for the videos, then the baby used to cry. It is very dangerous for the babies, because you look, babies, their brain are not mature for those how to use the phones. That's all.
Oh, my senior will be correct, but from mobile phone, the baby, the senior said, the baby learn what rhymes and all. They learn ABC, whatever. Thank you.
So my dear friend, the baby can learn ABC, but not only from the phone, by using the books, that's all. From the phone, it will be nothing so helpful for the baby. It will be edict for the baby.
It's correct, but the future generation is depending on our mobile phones and technology.
Yeah, it's true. Nowadays everyone use mobile phone, but it is bad. You look, mobile phone can use every individual, but the girls always scrolling the reels, making the reels. It is good or bad, huh?
From making reels, we can earn money and all.
Yeah, it's correct. But for the student, it's time to study, not scrolling the reels and making the reels, my dear friend.
From mobile phone, we can also study and all. Whatever you want to learn.
Yeah, mobile phone can learn, but
mobile phone can eat because everything are there in book. Then what we need to use? What is the uses of mobile phone when everything in the book?
The use of mobile phone is when you want to call your friend and you don't have anything from which you will call your friend.
I didn't go. I will go to their home and talk to them. There was no use of mobile phone. No need.
If your friend house is far, then
I will go for my bike. Everything vehicles are there available now.
and if you don't have bike, then you will use mobile phone.
I didn't use mobile phone, friends. So I have no mobile phone now itself.
Then may I ask you a question? Did you have mobile phone or not?
Oh, I have. I didn't interested in mobile phone.
Oh, it means you did not use at home also.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't use, right? Then, when you are coming from your school, I saw you that you brought food.
What name? What? You are not near to my house. I didn't know you.
But we
Okay.
are in the same school, right?
We are in same school, but I didn't use the food. I searched the answer on the books and all. Because the usage of food by searching the answer, it's become lazy. Because of the searching answer on the phone, AI. In few minutes the answer will become now. So it's become the student lazy because of this.
Yeah. You see, mobile phone is an very very useful for our daily life. You may also use sometimes. I show you.
No, I didn't use, bro. I told you already I didn't use mobile phone.
Oh no, I think you are lying.
Oh, no.
Okay.
That's all.
Good morning to all the participants, the judges, the anchors, the teachers, and all my dear friends present over here. My name is Srishti Guru, and I'm representing my school, Top Visionary Residential School, and I'm going to speak about disadvantages of mobile phone.
Hi, it's me, Teron, and I'm in 10th standard, and I'm from Top Visionary Residential School, and I'm going to speak about the emotions of mobile phone. To be honest, now as every one of us here, most of us, we use mobile phone, isn't it? Through mobile phone and technologies, we can know about many things, what is happening in the world around us.
Okay, alright. Like, we know that mobile phones are helpful for us, but what about the dark side of mobile phone? Even the coins have two sides, right? The good side and the bad side. Even phones have good side and bad side. So, my question is, if the phone is good for health, then why the phone are bad for the health also?
That's what I want us to say is that through mobile phone, we connect each other, contact when our parents and friends, our neighbors know when they go far away from us in different places, well, for working or some other activities. We do contact them through the mobile phones with the help of mobile phones. If there's no mobile phones, how do we contact when they're far away from us?
Yeah, you're saying that you will connect them, but at last, you will end up by scoring the reels and YouTube, Facebook and all, but you won't connect with your families, relatives and all. It's just a story
It doesn't mean that about the reels and all, but it just means about our use. According to us, mobile phone is a very good one side because see, in all the technologies nowadays in the schools and all, what I want us to speak is that back on our COVID-19 of 2019, all the students of us, we were using mobile phone. Through the mobile phone connections, we were able to take the classes and all. We are able to have the conference with our teachers, friends, neighbors and all.
So, you're talking about the COVID-19? That time, even online classes and online exams were taken, right? So many students, they were cheating on it because some students, they are dumb, they are not intelligent, so they are cheating and getting passed and getting the marks that they don't deserve.
It's not about the cheating and all, but it's on our own brand. How we use it, Though people may be cheating, but some of the students, they are not all dumb. Some of them are brilliant enough to use about the mobile technologies. To use in a proper way, in which way they could be, they know about themselves.
Okay, so they use it in a proper way. But we can see in this generation now, everybody is addicted of game. Mobile Legends, Free Fire, PUBG, they are only fighting about the game. Yes or no? They are fighting, right? So, about the games and all, phone is not a good thing. You say it's helpful, but then
It's not about that, the phone is not good. Through playing mobile phones, we may become bad. But through the games and all which you play, you can earn some money from that too. Through your channel which you open at the YouTube.
Yeah, you say about the things, but then there are scams. There are scams that the people, they earn money from the scams. They make food to the people. They make food to the
Okay, you're talking about the scams, but how does the scams to people? Through mobile phone and through the technologies of laptops and all, right?
Yeah.
So
it's a disadvantage only of phone, because through the phone only they are doing right. They are not coming just and they are asking money and all, right?
but it's the help of mobile phone,
right?
It's the help of mobile phone.
Yeah, with the help of mobile phone.
Yes, that's right. Phone is also somehow, it's good to us, so that we can also do whatever we want.
Yeah, in a point you're correct, but some points they are not correct, because mobile phone, they make us to edit the mobile phone. We can't live without the mobile phone.
Just an example of mobile phone, which way is good. Now, whatever program is held around these compounds and all, it is passed through the mobile phone, through their WhatsApp. Isn't it?
Yeah.
We are getting the programs, files and all, those lists through the help of
mobile phone.
So
Yeah, okay, don't be so happy. Because of mobile phones, we are getting neck pain, our eyes disease, we can't see nicely, and
that's about the negligence. That's about the negligence.
Not negligence, it's about the disadvantages of phone, and I'm speaking about that.
Through mobile phone, during at night, you can even study through the mobile phone, which you can solve the answers and all, the answers which, the questions which you feel difficult in the textbook and all, you can just go through the AI, scan it, send a photo to the AI, and the answers, it comes out by itself.
So you're talking about the AI. So, do anyone know about the Gemini, ChatGPT, the phone making?
Thank you.
My name is Levi Sanse.
I'm Singdon Hanse.
Our topic is AI dangerous? I say no to the motion. AI is good and safe tool.
And I say yes to the motion. AI is a dangerous tool that can harm us and others.
I say no to the motion. AI is a good and safe tool that help us in doing better and safer. Our main goal of AI is that its working speed and customer care, running global businesses smoother and cutting their costs. This is a real and helpful change for everyone.
But if AI takes over human tasks, won't that cause unemployment?
Not really. AI is creating new kind of jobs, especially in tech and data field. AI is just changing the world, not completely erasing it.
Your better speak up ignores a huge problem we face. AI is very bad, starting with the risk of too many people losing their jobs to AI. AI will cause a huge social problem which makes our money systems break.
Isn't job loss a temporary phase, just like technology upgrade?
But the scale is different this time. AI can replace entire professions at once, not just a single tool. That's a real threat.
That's why we are building tools. AI help us in doing our work and personal use.
But if AI fails, who takes the blame?
Already humans are misleading online. Why blaming AI alone?
I must stop your simple talk. I must stop your simple talk, okay? The threat is just too big, of too many people losing their jobs to AI. It's the end of real truth and what we trust or we can't trust.
That's why we are building new tools to find the space. Moreover, AI help us in simple data check and money and expert in money. AI also help us in studies more correctly.
You can't stop money problems with AI. If you don't know what's true, AI can make fake videos in minutes and it can be seen by millions in seconds.
That's why we are building tools to find all the fakes.
But what if the tools fail?
I have nothing to say for.
I say yes to the motion. AI is a dangerous tool that can harm us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Nithom. I'm from Nightingale English High School.
Good morning everyone, I'm Nithom of class 10. I'm from Nightingale English High School and the topic is mobile. I will give the disadvantage of mobile.
And I will give advantage.
Mobile is like little kids who are born nowadays. They are really addicted to phone, and they are all over the world.
I disagree, yeah, because through mobile we came here and we can participate competition.
Yes, I agree that, but mobile affect our health and mental issue.
That is your own limited.
Yes, of course, but
mobile is useful for students because if we cannot find answer through books, we can find with mobile.
yes, I agree, but if we use mobile phone very much, then we are not. I don't think it's better for us.
Through mobile, you can contact your friends if you want.
Yes, you can contact, but it's better to go to their house.
If you are not allowed to go somewhere, then how you will go?
Of course, it's important that we will allow.
I think so not.
But I guess.
Really?
Of course.
Your parents allowed you to come here?
Yes, they allowed me.
Then somewhere with your friends?
If it is not important, then they don't allow. Mobile takes our eyes very much.
Yeah, I agree, but mobile is also such a kind good for us to help students because mobile gives us such a kind of knowledge.
Yes, we can get from that our book also, but can you understand the method of match through mobile?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
What is the formula of the two product of diagonal?
Sorry friends, I didn't study that one because I came to debate you on mobile.
But you said that you understand the formula.
I didn't say that I know.
But you say you understand, that's why.
But I say we can get from mobile, but I didn't say I know.
That is when did you know? If you didn't understand, then how did you know the formula and you can solve the answer?
By practicing.
By practicing?
Yeah.
I don't know by practicing. I know the formula and then. Thank you.
I'm present here. So We are representing Manda Senior Secondary and I am going against the motion and the topic is AI is dangerous or not.
Good morning everyone, my name is Teron. I am with the motion.
AI is very useful for us because during our exams, some questions that have not given by our teachers, we can search in AI and we can by heart it so that we can score a good marks in exam.
No, that is not good. AI is making human lazier and lazier, and the teachers as well.
If we like hard work, then why humans are searching for easier tools and all the easier? Why we are using vehicles and all for traveling? Why we are not using our legs? So humans are searching for easier lifestyle nowadays.
There is nowadays only the lazy people and the rich people, but the poor people cannot do. They cannot. I'll say in Kabi. Munit kitu tumge poisa le anong thela sigari hai use ye phone da use ano ye phone use hoye rasi atumya ke ngi dam dam ale da ko kai la ni no ai ke abe bo thano da ko amni tumo samsi ki dam thek lo atiro da.
So we have asked this question in Karti, so I want to reply in Karti. If munit tum AI le use ye bullet pe no na lom student tum ke income ave iniki parents tum no dependent inke dependent lotte parents income do e for la an financial problem do o to ma student tum ke AI pen ajisa akini bosu charlie la the hai ka charlie pen tum poisa ko mai the tang ka long the ba so tang ka pen ni tum imi tham studies han support the la sis AI ke useful o
AI ke dangerous lagi study salo ke the environment pelong bude environment long ke AI ke hingok pegan itum now AI tools as ChatGPT Grok 3 AI lahai AI long itum single type bi chota udah server room long so pegasi udah lang nai la so lang ye kijuno lang ye junne ala la si single type long 500 ml lang lang la so lang ben la dak ben air pollution contain ten
AI hang no pati munit ko pikan si AI han ka salam lo munit a lifestyle ki pa joy han si AI ki ka salam lo lage munit a the munit long ka depend lo lage use take my use take the not even student itun AI han use pa me pulote question si itun pini ko AI ke use pa me nang si dang use pa me lo te lage me pikan lo lage itum amit thang lo si ki pini lo lahai ki munit question si use my use te lahai ki
lagi itu topik ke AI ni mana AI yang nuktik lagi kan lo AI pen ke future long kalau Elon Musk sometimes pulo Grok inventor lagi AI is far more dangerous kisi pulo sometimes AI invent bute
Amitang this and take pute AI selam sinang ilo non selam tang AI bang use spray student nung da use spray ni sialam narjilang sob ka ke thekali student tu adhak nge thego e tum da do inge ni tum ekdom ninkan gang thin da charlie thori kali mo exam apram ka charlie student tum da do lo exam apram ka charlie student tu han ke AI ke useful lo ni tum bedam lo a topic ni no exam question la hai to mo ta so no answer bang for inge exam lo han da useful pi ang like it
देखो को मम्मा ले AI पे चाली जी रंग तो अड़ी चलूं था अबे वो खाना क्या तुम लोग सोई थे लो अब प्रांग में चलती है लो खानो
मैं तुम Google use it है ये teacher का use teacher तुम दा use से कम दे तुमसे कुछ हुआ तो भी even the principal and that this पूरी पुलों से Google लोग search सीना
क्या बता अनोलेस अंडो ये पुलो किस लोग तुम लोग
last one ke kali munit do ana yang stop sari la munit no ni kun ko pila arts commerce e phong pe chari un na chari un e anta AI long ke arts commerce सब related prepare dang ke related anta dola inke la su join ni tu han joy tungan ko no na ka pre ka din alam sini kan tung pulote AI long search lo an ki joy
search to pues chi kan po inge travel lang po pre ka din na madam tung wo ni AI lo lang sini ke experience ave thana se experience ni na mo sama dim bo ke
Student kung sab ki paisa income huni, kusan si sab income hun po. Ipai po jum ta ko ang si paisa na pidel po ni khana. Pidel gote kusan si tu pini po. Ai si ni lo.
AI mo ang thang thek ni dui. La so hot paisa income po la so dam na me. AI ran important te. La se AI use da si me tu.
I used to be Milo because non ke software online to depend inside it. Non Nithom economic Indian economic.
Present here, respected chief guests, judges, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Madhuri Rangharpi of Standard 11, represents Pranat Jubilee Senior Secondary School. So today I am standing here. To give some advantages of social media. Social media is very useful for every person in order to improve their lives.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Teron, and I'm from Pranat Jubilee Senior Secondary School. And my topic is this one advantage of social media. So, in my opinion, social media is not always useful. This is wasting time.
Social media helps us to communicate with all the people, to those of we know.
Yes, but somehow it's not true because we can connect with our friends, but sometimes just we use scrolling reels, something like that, and don't be connected with friends. So I don't think this somehow to reconnect with friends.
So according to your question, I would like to say that by scrolling reels or going to the platform of different apps like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, we can learn different kinds of knowledge as well as education, skills, etc.
You can gain knowledge from social media, but there is some fake information. Somehow the social platform is too risky to use. So because there is some fake information, so we don't trust any platform by completely knowing about the truth.
But AI always tells us about the truth. What is going to predict in our future?
AI tell us some whole truth. Yes, but by using AI, we forgot about our physical skill. We purchase online platform doing something easy, but we forgetting day by day what we have our ability. We forgetting to our ability to solving problem what we facing to right now. So by AI using, we becoming lazy to doing work.
But in order to develop our society, using social media is very important. Without social media, the society cannot develop. Because no one will be educated through depending on books, because books is also such kind of social media which is printed through network.
Yes, but by studying in the online class, it is not beneficial. By studying yourself, it is beneficial, because if we using online classes, there are some messages will come from friends, and they will reply some messages what they do, what something, good morning to something like that, and we forget about the online classes. So better to study ourselves at home with book.
According to your question is that better to study at home.
Yeah.
But my answer will be that it is a skill. Social media is also a type of skill that helps people to learn more faster than what we did in reality.
But this leads to, this percentage leads to harassment of the society. But it's better to study our self-study and self doing what we
if we study by ourselves, then it will come true. And yes, we need social media if we have doubt some question and we need to solve some numerous mathematics. So we need to use yes AI, but it's better to study self, to better to solve ourselves. If we do ourselves, then we don't need to use next anymore to AI and some online platform.
So according to your question, that the demands of people are too high, that they want to become themselves as a social media. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to debate on the topic of disadvantage and advantage of phone. So, my name is Manisha Giri and I am going to speak on disadvantage of phone.
And my name is Sanjita Paul and I am going to speak on the advantage of mobile phone. So first of all, the advantage of mobile phone is we can be connected to our far away relatives, friends, and even we can be connected with the whole world through mobile phone.
Okay, I agree with your answer, but my question is, just listen, okay? The first, she said that yes, we can be connected with the far away people from social media. I totally agree with that. But what about the people who are around us? What about our family's members? Those who are sitting just nearby us, but we are calling them with our phone calls and asking them to please come and have your food. Instead of saying them directly that please come and have your food. There is a lack of love between the family because of social media.
I agree, I don't know about your home, but in my home there is no lack of love. There is no lack of love. In my family there is no lack of love, and we used to spend time together. We don't use mobile phone too much. There is a limited use.
Okay, if you use phone in limited way, that's okay, but many of us, we play games, okay? I know many of you play games, right? And many of you watch reels, right? And many of you make reels also, right? Okay, some of you don't, but many of you do. Okay? So what is when we make reels, we post something and we always think of getting likes, comments, shares and everything. But we forgot that we have posted that on social media. Okay? We forgot that we have posted that on social media and it can be misused. Okay, the photos and the videos can be misused by the people, and you may get the calls that will say that, okay, I got your photo, I got your liked photo, and I will post it on internet, and at that time, you will be viral. Then see, what about our own safety? What about our own safety? If we post some photos which are not good, and if that goes by the wrong person, it can be misused. So I totally disagree with that here, that the phones have advantage.
Then you can keep it private. Why do you keep it in public? Keep it in private, please.
Okay, some people they keep in private because they just want to show to their families or friends. But some people they keep it in public because they want to get viral and all.
It's their mistake, it's their wish.
Okay, it's their mistake, but it's also because of phone. Okay?
Then it depends on them only.
Yeah, I agree.
So here, okay, fine, I agree. So
Okay.
let me tell you the second advantage of mobile phone. Mobile phone, we can make our own we can search speeches, poems written by many artists. So
Okay, she said that we can search speech, poems, and we can know many more things from social media. I totally agree with that. But there are many books which has been written by the artists, which has been, from there we'll get to know more clearly about the poem or anything.
I know book is there, but now it's very modern generation. So book is not enough for us.
I think instead of learning the things fast forward, we should learn the things properly. So to know the things properly, we should see the books, we should read the books, we should understand the books, and then so that we can write our own answer. We don't have to copy paste.
Pardon. Pinili tu bangke karbi labesi tanpa ko. Pinili tu mungkin pon lagi. Thamak kacidanji lagi. Mobile pun kien pen. Akheng no macam kimi nili bang. Akheng misian pon po lapen lapu bangke akheng mis tanpa ko.
Pardon, nelemen lagi saya kain lain pi nili tu nanti pati itu na sekolah men lagi di high school. Nili tu lada kerja lagi nili tu thamak sedang pon di parsi. Arsap lo, kasi nang nili tom na bangso, atama itong pancing pon po.
Nili ki pudam ji bangke, ili tum mobile phone ki en pen ki me pick. Athe pia pot. Jini ba, nang li po mati nang li pai. Kuna ne ka hello chong dat po. Mati arsap po, la pen la da hem ki do bang so that po. Ti tang ka kuna pen si bang po. La pai si lo, si tang ka bangke. Amun ni dam puting ay nang nilo. Tangka bang nonon puwam la phone na long do Google Pay. Mate copy pini lahai do online pen stame. Si tangka bang ke joy one pen ilitum. Hala da pen dak an stame nang ni ropo. Ati ma tangka ke nang ja rakhe.
Tangka nang ja rakhe lo bos stame ilitum jong si. Apu isa jong si kinang solo bulang te. Idon era pen stame hangam ras ta chok lo mo. Ipo tum jong si hem si bang lo bulo te hala so chi tu dia te chok lo.
Bang kisu pen. Kisu hutala puti boy pen he.
Kisu hule ti boy bu jong si tame. Idon era pen lo jong si do bulo tang te ki joy ben chang si ta lang tum jong si na pa joy ki bulo tang te. Ili tum la bang so ke so na me chi lang itam long po.
Non lo makai ki la son kali. Kali. Idon era do pustame. An se chiraba de. Pimat tangka poisa alam tum si tame. Non lom bank account lom si chithap la ti. Jine ba cancer ki so silong lo. Si tame alam poisa do nang pigri. Ta la da ka hem la an do ji pe. 8 lakh 10 lakh la ko hem si ji pe ko. Kala ma.
Aha la ke nang ki pusta me non lom ke hem ni puisa ke ji bi o e bank lom si chithap tho. La hai mobile phone lom si ka chithap tho. Ta la hai mobile phone ne ga use so ke la hai de e ma puisa ta na si thanun lab ji mo a phian ke.
Kung an la ji than po ge.
Joy ben ki than to ko la ta puisa bang ge.
Lagi mo sap to be ji. Atang kai di ki nang ji bang ke nang le upo. Ma che ke thang da ali lo.
Ma sap to be ke lo pen ba ili tum la the dung ka kang de ni ke ni long kon be det bo.
Kalang pe. Si ni lagi pudam ji bang ke ma che na ra paisa ini tum ki war nang mute itum an so se nang ke le da ini tum hari ki su nang pa joy ke la hello.
Aha la ke nang ki tame ni tame se don lo bo se tame bala mobile phone ga use ho la hai pe ki mi u e kali lo student se tame anu tin se tame bo mobile phone ne ga use ai de lo bo se tame adhe ke me ga use itum da do la ga use ke the akin me akhe no tala jak do na sila jong si itum yan pamika ke la pe use pamika ke bulu tang ke la ke the no lo mobile phone ta
Kalang. Sita me lili pudam si bang ke me big an. Athema jo non lo makai lo muni tum pinang ala ki thek do break jam aki thek do. Jeneba nali ki lun thek bo nali ki kan thek bo. Si labang so ki lun ki kan je phat muni dat do non lom joy ki joy wan pen online la po online audition do ta ho la hai do ta ho. Si la hai long stame ini tum jong si tangka be dat lo stame tum long mobile phone do lo te pipe lo itum anak ke lo dunang ni si ini tum dak hempen tot pong ma jap lun be same audition pipo tidak pen dunki ma dun de le dun jadi
aha la nang ki ta le tum no si mobile phone ga use long la hai puisa hai ke joy ki si long po bo stame ini de long do ko ka puisa bang mi mu ka do ka be ta anu tin ma ke phone ne use re phone no ma ke ka do ka be ta puisa ki thap re every day lo si 10 minutes ko na mu ta me puisa ke ji ban ji pai po long si ma ta be puisa nang chang ji every day lo si do ji
la ke jadi tai pipo long si puisa ke ki do po kalima kalang lo ta me ni ke mobile phone ki use pe na ke me bu phan si puda
ahong nai puge mobile phone e use ke aki me dolo sitame bon sitame kado ka be munin makela mobile phone ka use pen gati me la kali adhe tunge peso tunno ta mobile phone ka use pen game ke pachu thol high free fire tho mobile legend high ke pachu kero ta kara
apransi kadu ko we pinidak na ke chudong dun man peng ke do aki hai la pen aki hai pi la pen kang kru kang sai abang phu abang pi la pen than bang phu than bang pi tu la pen la pu cutting jero tum doan phan sitame nilhin pen sengang sam kadom bajero kadom nili men sar puiti la pen nili tum score man cleared up higher secondary school la pen non nili tum kechipak lang bonji lagi AI itu maphan akhi mema mate akhi numa la sinilik enke akhi nu
Milimen ke meti kamsa nilik enke AI ke AI ke pen akhi meta long pen la pen AI ke use akhi meta do AI mate artificial intelligence use pon pen AI mate artificial intelligence use ke student la pen teacher atuma pan akimisen ahormu tadu gupine kachini mate gupine son kasilam lahayoi online account ata asal ngapajo idun charity
AI mati artificial intelligence itu maphan akheno thepi bisi ke student la pen tebok kera amodi tumha itum AI ka use pen itum kimatha ajakong la pen itum han nang pasilet identity jong si kumani student atum AI long pen si answer kiri mate problem solving hai back pen si gen pon polo tang ke itum emina ke thek pen siklen ke AI phan si ka depend pon polo tang ke itum ke thek abang ke chinton ko si itum se thek pon longi
AI ke hinone limitang ta AI use la pen ke answer lahai ka kirian ta ni AI long ki kilang dam da la pen ka sini son ka sini kan to son anta ni AI long ki kidam da
kalang itum AI long pen akirap long ke long pon bon sitame itum teachers tum long pen teachers tum dang ke than pen itum AI long si bisi important si pipon polo tang ke AI long pen si bisi important si pipon polo tang ke khala AI long bang ke anuvet mate private son si kachari pon boy ke teachers long bang ke teachers tum dang ke thana teng bang ke itum jong si itu school hai pustame AI mati artificial intelligence endphone pulutang de lagi itum cuma thamelo itum private si information mati private si data itum AI phansi chipi bonoku mo jong si miss out or hack jong si mo miss out or hack delo pulutang de itum private si informations mati private si data aphan akheno theta
AI long lang dam lang pute AI pen kachali long pon video la pen ke AI ke kahino na jongsi la so alo AI use asika prega alo kichok che hormu kiklan I la pen ke imitang akinang sot pen akaprek use pon pute la bangke akai do la pen ke nang kupi alam si kecali gantung mai la AI long lap
jong si itu AI long pen si bisi kachari pon pulutang de theki tema bon sitame answer ke chokdet ku sitame itu imina ipran ke bangji ke thek bonji made imina ke thek ason do sitame chipang bo pon la bason si itu thek pon longji
AI along kachali la pen ke AI mo kachali amu mar to phan mo kita mo kiwangi yak tang ar phan AI kachali ke kenang sot non sol disease detection mante future of it, weather, mate, climate, high detection of handamelo.
Make mission bon system itu AI long besi bisi ke cari pon teachers long benan cari pon pe AI long besi cari pon pulutan ke mo RDC hala somanit AI long ben cari pon bo out kidam ani phan anuveda sonsi chitin pon ko lapente kithe ka so to an system AI long besi.
We are moving towards a technological generation and it's important for us. But then there has to be a balance. And they have wonderfully presented the balance of how both it is essential as well as we should set a limit. And to know more about this and also how the debate competition has to be in our future days if we ever participate, the way it was you have presented. To know more about this, let's take the opinion from none other than our honorable judge here, Sarin Piso. We also thank him for taking this trouble to judge this competition. We'll hear a few words from him and his feedbacks on this competition. Let's put our hands together for our judge, a renowned journalist, Mr. Sarin Piso.
He is a very kind person, as he is very good to me from the beginning also. And before he was given for award, for Assam Gaurav Award, I contacted him and says to him that, as some of you may not know, that I also write stories for news channels. And for my news channels, I contacted him and that I am interested to cover your stories, and he is willingly said that you can do whatever you want. So I told him, and as far we discussed earlier, and after the stories being published of Binong Teron in some of the news channel, a week after being published, a call comes from District Commissioner Office to Binong Teron that he will be conferred for Assam Gaurav Award. And at that particular moment, I was very happy and excited that Binong Teron, the story that I covered of Binong Teron, now Binong Teron will be conferred for the Assam Gaurav Award. So I was very excited at that particular time. So I once again congratulate Binong Teron for this achievement, and I encourage him in the days to come also that he will continue to encourage our younger generations in pursuing in different educational platforms also. Now, as far as this debate competition is concerned, I don't want to say much more on this, because most of the participants who have already participated here have much potential and ability to speak in front of the public more than me. So I'm nothing in front of you. So I congratulate each and every participants who have participated here with full confidence and with your visions and your logical presentation. So congratulations to all of you as well. And as Anchor has just said that if I could say something, or if I could say something that could encourage the younger generation to present or to debate in different platforms, not only in the educational platforms, but in the other fields also. The thing is that I have also not much experience about debate, but what I come to notice and what I learned about debate is that how much you present your topic effectively, logically, and more impactful. This is the first thing that you have to remember, is that how you present your topic effectively. That's number one. The number two, what I want to tell you is that your fluency has to be very, very good. Fluency is also what you have to remember. First thing is that your topic has to be logical, effective, and second thing is that how you are presenting effectively, and your fluency is much important when you present or when you attend any debate competitions or any discussion. So this is what I want to let you know, is that first, logical debate and effective specific, and you have to present it fluently. All right? Okay? Hope you all understand. And as I had been watching from the panel of judges from there, and some of the students, they are very much confident enough for specifically for a debate competition. So I congratulate all of you in advance also. So I have given the result to the organizing committee. Maybe after a short while, they will be presenting you the awards also. But for the moment, I thank all the participants, especially the students, teachers from different schools, educational institutions, and I would once again like to extend my gratitude to the organizing committee for bringing such a beautiful platform for the educational atmosphere. So for the moment, with that, I wrapped up my speech. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Of this first Borjan Mega Education Mega event, because I will give the opportunity to all the audience to answer. Are you ready? Okay, then shall begin with what to say. I will explain the rules and regulations. There will be 3 rounds, and then only among 20 or 19 schools, only 10 schools will compete for the final round. Okay. In the second round, 9 schools will eliminate according to the points. The top 10 schools will compete for the final round. So in the first round, I'll be asking a question from general science. Okay. And the rule for the first round is that I will ask direct questions to each of the schools, and there will be no pass. And each question, if I ask you, if you can answer, if you can give the answer, correct answer, then you will get 10 points. But there will be no pass for the other school. Okay. If you can't answer, then the questions will pass to the audience, and whoever raise hand for whoever know the answer, you should raise your hand. The one who raised first will can give the answer of the past question, and then you will get gift from us. Okay. So shall not waste our time. We'll start from the first round, that is general science. So what is the energy currency of the cell? What is the energy currency of the cell? Your question is, what is the energy currency of the cell? You have to answer in 30 seconds. There is no negative marking in the first round, so you don't need to be afraid.
Good afternoon.
What is the energy currency of the cell? The time is running out. Yes, audience are not allowed to use any Google, or else you will not be selected for the gift. Okay? Okay, the question is passed to the audience. Anyone? Yes, that one. Bela Higher Secondary School. You are not allowed to use any Google, okay? What is the energy currency of cell?
Adenosine transphosphate.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Adenosine transphosphate. Yes, please give him one pen. Okay, interesting, yes or no? So Romplam High School will get 0 in the first round. Okay, now. Okay, now next we have Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School. You are not allowed to see the question. You just pick and give me. Here is the same easy question. What is the fundamental unit of life? What is the fundamental unit of life?
Cell.
No, audience, no?
Cell.
Okay, that is the correct answer. They will get 10 points. The fundamental unit of life is cell. Very smart. Okay, next we have Holy Faith Academy. take one seat and give to me. Okay. Your easy question is, what is ions? What is ions? What is ion? Your time is running. Your time is out. The question passed to the audience. Anyone? What is ions? Yesterday somebody have explained in the science exhibition. Yes. Whoever raised first will give the answer.
The positive and negative charged particles.
The positive
and negative charged particles.
Okay, charged particle is the correct answer. Okay, give it to him. Give her one pen. Thank you so much. This is which school? Okay, KDP High School. Okay, point table. Holyfield Academy will get 0 point. And now KDP High School. Okay, it's very easy question. Who formulated the universal law of gravitation? Who formulated the universal law of gravitation?
Sir Isaac Newton.
Okay, that is the correct answer. KDP High School will get 10 points. Next we have Little Flower School. This is Little Flower School, right? So your question is, what is the maximum number of electrons in the first cell? What is the maximum number of electrons in the first cell? Audience, get ready. 2. Okay, 2 is the correct answer. So they will get 10 points. Okay, now it is Manja Baptist English School. So your question is, what are the two main types of energy? What are the two main types of energy? You have only 30 seconds. You don't need to worry, there is no negative marking.
Kinetic and electric.
Kinetic and?
Electric.
What?
Electric.
Electric. Your time is up and your answer is not perfect. Kinetic is correct, but another one is wrong. So you will not get any points. Sorry. Yes, anyone from the audience?
Kinetic and potential energy.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Are you using Google? Okay, there is what? Top visionary residential school, right? Okay, your easy question is, what is the SI unit of speed? What is the SI unit of speed? What is the SI unit of speed? Your time is running.
Meter per second.
Meter per second, that's the correct answer. So, top visionary residential school will get 10 points. Next we have Dilai Higher Secondary School. Dilai Higher Secondary School, what is it? So your easy question is, Who proposed the concept of atomic number? Who proposed the concept of atomic number? Only 30 seconds.
John Dalton.
Okay, wrong answer. Do you want to try one more? Because you don't have negative marking. Who proposed the concept of atomic number?
Ernest Rutherford.
Okay, wrong answer and time is up. Any audience? Audience, please. Is there anyone? Okay. The students, once again I'm saying you are not allowed to use any online, any Google, any ChatGPT.
The answer would be Henry Moseley.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Henry Moseley proposed the concept of atomic number. Yes. He will get 1 pen. Okay, next we have global wisdom, right? Delhi High School. Okay, Delhi High School. Delhi High School. Your easy question would be, what is the force of attraction between particles of matter? What is the force of attraction between particles of matter? $30 seconds.
Molecule.
What is the force of attraction between particles of matter? Okay, time's up. Audience?
Gravity transfer.
Okay, wrong answer, sorry. Anyone? What is the force of attraction between particles of matter? Okay. There is intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. What is the force of attraction between particles of matter? The force of attraction between particles of matter is intermolecular force. Okay, no one is getting pen. Next we have Global Wisdom English School. Okay, Global Wisdom English School, here's your question. What is the formula of speed? What is the formula of speed?
3 into 10 to the power 8.
What is the formula of speed? I am asking a formula of speed. What is the formula of speed? It's very easy.
3 into 10 to the power 8.
Yes, it is correct, but I am asking the formula of speed. It is also correct, but you see the formula.
Meter per second.
It is the SI unit. You have to say the formula. Time up, right? Audience, very easy, right? Audience, please. Yes.
Speed distance by time.
What?
Speed distance by time.
The speed is equal to distance by time. It will be the correct answer. Okay, it is correct. The speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, next. Aeroplane Plum English School. The question is already picked by them. So your question is, which kingdom include organisms that are autotrophic? Which kingdom includes organisms that are autotrophic? Audience online and already. And teachers are not allowed to tell the answer to the students. Okay, time's up. Any audience? Jauh pulang kak. Audience?
Plentia.
Okay, that is correct answer. Which kingdom include organisms that are autotrophy? That is Plentia. Correct answer. Give them 10. Next we have Life Foundation. Life Foundation English School. Life Foundation, right? Okay. Your execution is, what is the chemical symbol of gold? What is the chemical symbol of gold? Audience, no? What is the chemical symbol of gold? Your time is up. What happened? Okay, very easy answer, right? Any audience? Give to the new one.
AU.
Yes, AU is the correct answer. The chemical symbol of gold is AU. Next we have Teron school, right? Teron school. Okay. Okay, your question is, which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria.
Yes, that is correct answer. Mitochondria is the correct answer. They will get 10 points. Teron English School. Teron English School will get 10 points. Next we have cleared up English School, right? Cleared up higher secondary school or English school?
Higher secondary school, sir.
Okay. Your question is very easy. What is the SI unit of walk? What is the SI unit of walk? Walk? What is the SI unit of walk? It's very easy, right?
Joule, sir.
What?
J. Joule.
Okay, that's correct answer. Cleared up school will get 10 points. Next we have Kuligao school, right? Kuligao English school. Okay, very easy question. Who discovered electron? Who discovered electron? Only 30 seconds.
J.L. Edelforden.
What?
J.L. Edelforden.
Wrong, you want to try one. You want to try once more. It is wrong answer. So, once more, if you want to try.
Rutherford.
What?
Rutherford.
Okay, wrong answer. Sorry. Any audience? Who is that? Who discovered electrons?
John Dalton.
Wrong answer. Anyone? Who discovered electron?
J.J. Thomson.
Correct answer. J.J. Thomson. I'm sorry dear, you will not get any point. And next we have Manja Senior Secondary School. Manja Senior Secondary School. Your question is, what type of mixture is milk? Manja Senior Secondary School. What type of mixture is milk? Only 30 seconds. What type of mixtures is milk? Second. Any audience? Give it to the new one. What type of mixture is milk?
Colloidal mixture.
What?
Colloidal.
Okay, that is correct answer. Next one is merging English semi school. Merging English semi school repeat. Okay, a bit long question. What type of motion is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed? I need to repeat the question. Listen properly. What type of motion is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed? It's very easy. Though the question is long, but it's easy. What? Oh, once again, I have to repeat the question. What type of motion is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed? Okay, fast. Any students? Linear motion. No, I'm not talking about motion. Anyone? Give it to him. What types of motion is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed?
Uniform motion.
No.
Sir, can you please repeat the question once?
What types of motion is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed?
First law of motion.
No. Okay, enough, I guess. No one? Soluble. Okay, that is uniform speed. The motions that is characterized by an object moving in a straight line with a constant speed is uniform. Okay, next we have Ransana Sarpo Solobo. Ransana Sarpo Sisu Sangadev Sisu Niketan School. Okay, your question is, which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis?
Sir, repeat the question.
Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Protein. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Time's up. Audience, Doma.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
No. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis?
Reversion.
What?
Reversion.
Say the spelling.
R-E
And?
V-O-T-I-O-N.
No.
Lysosomes.
Who is there? Say once again.
Lysosomes.
Say the spelling.
L-Y-S-O-S-O-M.
No, wrong, it's wrong. Huh? No. Anyone? Anyone? Choloma. It's okay now? Okay, that is ribosome. R-I-B-O-S-O-M-E. Okay? Here, now we have what? Which school? St. Thomas. Yeah, St. Thomas English School. Your easy question that you have picked is, what is the tendency of an object to resist change in its motion? Very easy, right? Urina nama? What is the tendency of an object to resist change in the motion?
Buoyancy.
Wrong. Do you want to try? Or shall pass the question? What is the tendency of an object to resist change in its motion? Hello, pass. Very easy. What is the tendency of an object to resist change in its motion? No one. Okay. That is inertia. Inertia. Then this is the last one, right? Which school? Nightingale English School. Okay, Nightingale English School. The last one is very easy question. What is the SI unit of force? Very easy. What is the SI unit of force? What is the SI unit of force?
Newton.
Correct answer. Okay, Newton is the SI unit of force. The SI unit of force is Newton. Give them 10 marks.
Okay, one announcement to make. All the identity cards for teachers, participants, and also the health worker, all the identity cards are already prepared over there, so you can get it from the reception committee. Once again, I repeat, all the identity cards for teachers, participants, and also the health worker, all the identity cards are already prepared and ready.
So start second round, that is general knowledge. Okay, general knowledge, and I will start from the Nightingale English School. Nightingale English School, you are the first for the second round. They have already picked that question. So your question is, yes, it's an elimination round. If you get 0, that means you are out. Okay. So your question is, you are very lucky that you got the option. So who was awarded the 2024 Field Medal in Mathematics? Your option is Mariam Mirjankhani, Majul Bhargava, Peter Scholes, and Akshay Venkatesh. Repeating lang bang? Do I need to repeat? Who was awarded the 2024 Field Medal in Mathematics? Field Medal in Mathematics. Mariam Mirjankhani, Majul Bhargava, Peter Scholes, Akshay Venkatesh.
Option B.
Option B is wrong answer. Sorry, I forgot to tell the what to say, the rules and regulations of second round. There will be a pass question to the next one. Okay, and after all, there only audience, and each question it is for 20 marks. The direct question will get 20 marks, and the pass question will get only 10 marks. Okay. So the time limit is same, 30 seconds. Who was awarded the 2024 Field Medal in Mathematics? Option is Mariam Mirjankhani, Majul Bhargava, Peter Scholes, Akshay Venkatesh. D.
Option D.
Okay, that is wrong answer. So this question is gone. Now direct question to St. Thomas English School. So this is a direct question to St. Thomas English School. This question is not optional, so it will go on pass. So the direct question for St. Thomas School is, which Asian nation is planning to host the 2030 Winter Olympics? Which Asian nation, it's Asian only, which Asian nation is planning to host the 2030 Winter Olympic?
India.
Exploration mission aiming to establish permanent base on the moon. There will be no option. Which country recently launched its first lunar exploration mission aiming to establish permanent base on the moon?
India.
Strong answer. Okay, so no problem. Negative mark. There's no negative marking. The question will pass to next school. Direct question. St. Thomas will get 0.
USA.
Wrong. Sorry. That's next school. Next school. Pass to next school.
Question repeat.
Okay, which country recently launched its first lunar exploration mission aiming to establish a permanent base on the moon? Take it, they pass now. Yes.
Sorry, Russia.
No. Yes, please pass. Don't waste time. Thakti no. Nanti mata board along along. Non pen nang thalam ade. You think from now? What?
China.
Okay, which school? Tell your school name.
Kuliah Model High School.
Koligao Model High School will get 10 points. Natum pass answer thak lelo. Nasi natum 10 points on lopo. Okay, now direct question to Ramsina Sankadev Sisu Niketan. Okay, which film was awarded the Golden Globe for Best Drama in 2024? Which film was awarded the Global Globe for the Best Drama in 2024? Film.
RRR.
No. Pass. Which film was awarded the Golden Globe for Best Drama in 2024?
Pass.
Pass, please. Pass. Pass, Paprap Chenoy. Pass, please. Pass.
Animal.
No, please pass.
Pass, sir.
Okay, pass, please. Which film was awarded the Golden Globe for the Best Drama in 2024?
Pass.
Last year.
K-drama.
No. Please pass. Not like this. Yes. Pass, Omar. What?
Pushpa 2.
Okay, no. Yes?
Marcel.
Huh?
Marcel.
No, please. Anyone? Okay. Fine. Pass. Cinema.
Avatar.
No. Yes? Anyone? Golden Globe. Anyone? Okay, this question is passed to the audience. Pitha. This is direct question of which one? This school. Sankardev. Yeah. Which one?
Sanam Teri Kasam.
Wrong. Golden Globe. It is a global film, means Hollywood.
KGF Chapter 2.
Okay, no need. Any audience? It is what? The Fabelmans. Okay, you search later on at home. The Fabelmans. Next, direct question to Koligao English ME School. No, Mirjang ME School. Okay, little bit long question. Question is, what major breakdown did scientists recently achieve in the field of gene editing? Gene editing. What major breakdown did scientists recently achieve in the field of gene editing? Yes, direct question to Merging English ME School. Only 30 seconds. Arjuba Minode, non Matalamoy. What major breakdown did? Any answer?
Pass.
Okay, pass. Wait. Yes? Anyone? 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 Okay. Yes, please.
Can you repeat the question?
What major breakdown did scientists recently achieve in the field of gene editing? Yes, GENE.
We can insert the gene of our own wish to our offspring.
No, it's you have to tell the name of that that one. That.
Genetic drift.
Yes, yes, please.
They can remove the gene that forms cancer from babies.
Okay. The question is passed to the audience. Only two will answer, only two. What major breakdown did scientists recently achieve in the field of gene editing? No one, right? Available? Is there anyone? Okay, no. So the answer is in vivo CRISPR therapy. You go and search in the Google. Okay, this is the answer. The in vivo CRISPR therapy. You go and search it, okay? Next, direct question to Manja Senior Secondary School. Okay, your question is, do you know the Prime Minister of India? Do you know the Prime Minister of India? Yes, okay, now your question is, who is the Prime Minister of Japan? Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? Direct question to Manja Senior Secondary School. If you give the correct answer, you will get 20 points. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? I think he is elected in the year 2024, right?
Sanai Takaichi.
No, no. Yes, please, pass, pass.
Pass.
Yes, pass around. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan?
Grandson.
Yes, Doma. Anyone? Anyone? Yes, any audience?
Sanai Kokachi.
No. Pass. Pass to any audience? Avema. Okay. It is Fumio Kishida. Fumio Kishida is the Prime Minister of Japan. Okay, direct question to which school? Kuligaon. Huh? Kuligaon Model High School. Okay, your question is, which famous tech entrepreneur recently announced a major investment in the space tourism. Who famous tech entrepreneur recently announced a major investment in space tourism? Question. Okay, question is, which famous tech entrepreneur recently announced a major investment in space tourism? Time's up. Pass question, please.
Pass, sir.
Pass, please.
Elon Musk.
Okay, Elon Musk is the correct answer. Which school? Teron English High School will get 10 points. 10 points for the first question, for the past question. Okay, now direct question to Lead Up English School. Okay, Lead Up School. Who was awarded the 2024 Booker Prize for Fiction?
Please repeat again the question, sir.
What? Who was awarded the 2024 Booker Prize for Fiction? Booker Prize for Fiction.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Pass, please, pass. Anyone? No?
Solo leveling.
Huh?
Solo leveling. Solo leveling.
No. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, shall I pass audience? Yes, audience, anyone? No, don't mind anyone. No one, right? Okay, there is Yiyun Lee. Okay, Yiyun Lee is the correct answer. The direct question to Teron English School. Okay, which film won the Best Picture Award at 2024 Academy Award? Which film won the Best Picture Award at 2024 Academy Award? All the question is based on last year, because this year still some are not updated.
Passes.
Which film won the Best Picture Award at the 2024 Academy Award?
KGF Chapter 2.
No.
RRR.
It's global, international. It's Hollywood film.
Avatar.
The boy who harnessed the wind.
Audience, get ready.
Toy Story.
No. Audience, get ready. Anyone? Yes, already passed the audience. Get ready.
Anura.
What?
Anura.
No. Anyone? Okay, let's pass this question. It is Oppenheimer. Yes, direct question to Life Foundation School. Direct question to Life Foundation School. Okay, this question is also based on 2024. I'm sorry for that, but which country introduced a universal basic income program as a national policy in the year 2024?
USA.
What?
USA.
No. Which country recently introduced a universal basic income program as a national policy? Pass. If you want to pass and keep going on, pass.
India.
No.
South Korea.
No. Please.
China.
No, please.
Japan.
No. Yes, please.
Germany.
No, 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 no. Anyone? Audience?
Russia.
No, no, no.
Europe.
No. Yes, anyone? Avima. It's Canada, okay? Canada. I already told you the question is based on 2024 because 2025 still not updated. Some questions are not updated. Now the right question to now the right question to Robin Plum ME School. Okay, now the question for you is, the direct question for you is, which major sports league recently expand its international reach by adding new teams? Which major sports league recently expand its international reach by adding new teams? Which major sports league recently expand its international reach by adding new teams?
India.
No, I'm talking about the league, sport league. Which sport league recently expand its international reach by adding new
Champion League.
No, please.
SA T20.
No, no, no. Pass, please.
Football.
No. I'm talking about the name of the league. Major league.
ISL League.
What?
ISL.
No, no, no.
IPL.
No. Please. Pass the side also. Pass the side also. Yeah. Question. Okay, question is, which major sports league recently expanded its international reach by adding new team?
Hello. Saudi Arabia.
No, no, no.
Premier League.
No, 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 please.
FIFA.
No.
ODI.
No. It's already, I think it's already over. Talk about. Any audience? Yes?
FC World Cup.
No, no, no. Please, audience, anyone? Yes, only two. Upper Apin law, upper Pigan law, upper Pig law. I-League? No. Okay, no need. I will tell the answer. There is NBA, National Basketball Association League. Okay? Basketball Association League is now becoming international. Okay, direct question to Okay, your question is, which golden city was recently ranked as the most livable in the world?
So question once.
Which global city was recently ranked as the most livable in the world?
Guwahati.
Guwahati. No. No. It's global city.
Paris.
Not no, no, no.
Los Angeles.
No.
Vietnam City.
What? Vietnam. No, it's close but no.
Tokyo City.
No, no, no.
Oh, Sun City.
What? No, 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 no.
Jaisalmer.
No.
Dubai.
No.
New York.
No.
Mumbai.
No.
Bangkok.
No.
Chennai.
No.
Gujarat.
Luxembourg.
No, 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 please.
Thailand.
No. Thailand is one city, I guess. It's country. Yes, any audience? Audience, please. Yes, please. Only one or two.
Copenhagen.
Huh?
Copenhagen.
No, please. Anyone? Okay, no one, I guess. Okay, the answer is Vienna. Vienna. Do you know it? Vienna is the capital city of Australia, I think. Austria, yes. Okay, then direct question to which school? Direct question to Dilai High School. Past question to go consider today. It's like the same question. Okay, which country recently achieved a major milestone in its space program by launching its first crew mission to the moon? Which country recently achieved a major milestone in its space program by launching first crew mission to the moon?
USA.
No. Direct question, Mr. Law. Not a past question, Law. Past question.
India.
Yes. What? No, 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 please. Pass. Quick, please.
Pakistan.
No. Pakistan, no, never.
China.
Okay, China is correct answer. Which school? PBPI school will get 10 points. Yes, they given the answer correct for the first question. Okay, now next, direct question to Dilai Higher Secondary School. Direct question to Dilai Higher Secondary School. Which Middle Eastern country recently normalized diplomatic relation with Israel?
India.
No.
USA.
No.
Australia.
A question sini itu loh, which Middle Eastern country recently nominalized diplomatic relation with Israel?
India.
No. India is not even in the option.
China.
No.
Saudi Arabia.
Okay, Saudi Arabia is the correct answer. Saudi Arabia is the correct answer. Which school? Nightingale school will get 10 marks, 10 points. Direct questions to which school? Top residential school. Top visionary residential school. Which country became the first to formally recognize ecotourism as a legal category. Which country recently became the first to formally recognize ecotourism as a legal category? Only 30 seconds to the right question.
Thailand.
No. Yes. Yes?
Iran.
No.
Japan.
North America.
No, please.
India.
No. India is probably the
Russia.
option. Huh?
Russia.
Russia, no, please.
Repeat the question.
Okay, which country recently became the first to formally recognize ecotourism as a legal category? Please, I will not repeat the question 2-3
Nepal.
times. Huh?
Nepal.
No, please. You have to listen it properly.
Africa.
Huh?
Africa.
No, please.
China.
No.
North Korea.
No, please.
Germany.
Wrong.
Japan.
No.
Australia.
No.
England.
No.
Colombia.
What? No, please. Huh? No. Any audience? Any audience? Okay, there is New Zealand. Okay, remember it, New Zealand. Now direct question to Mamza Baptist English School. Okay, who was the 2024 winner of the Pulitzer Prize for Journalism? Who was the 2024 winner for the Pulitzer Prize for Journalism? It's the name of the newspaper. Okay, pass. Direct question, तुम pass कर लो, मैं pass question लो.
Hindustan time.
Okay, anyone raise their hand? No one, right? Napu kan dah, belum ah? Audience? No one. No one, right? Okay, that is the New York Times, okay? The New York Times. 2025 one is not updated still, I think. Okay, which country recently experienced significant political unrest and protests over judicial reform? Direct question to Little Flower School, right? Little Flower School. Which country recently experienced significant political unrest and protests over judicial reform?
Nepal.
No, Nepal is wrong answer. Yes, do you want to try? Yes, please.
Singapore.
No, please. Which country recently experienced significant political unrest and protests over judicial reform?
Bangladesh.
No.
Nepal.
No.
America.
South Africa.
Yes, anyone?
India.
No, please.
London.
No, please.
Indonesia.
No, please.
China.
Huh?
Sri Lanka.
Yes. Bama, mani mana available? Audience? Say. Mic on high, audience. Mari chirum do. Which country recently experienced significant political unrest and protests over judicial reform?
Pakistan.
No, please.
Anyone?
Tolong mande. Tolong. It is France, okay? France. This is direct question to Philippi High School. Okay, which international sports event was held in Paris in 2024? Which international sports event was held in Paris in 2024? Which international sports event was held in Paris in 2024?
FIFA.
No. Yes, please. Anyone? Which international sports?
IPL.
Huh?
IPL.
No. International.
Cricket.
No. Please, anyone? No.
Football.
No. International sports event.
UCL.
No.
Tennis.
No.
Badminton.
Hockey.
It's a sports event.
IBF.
No. Paris along PL Olympic of 2024.
UFC.
No.
UFC.
No. Yes.
Rugby. Volleyball.
No. Just like
FIFA.
no.
Olympics.
Okay, which Olympic? Yes, Olympic is correct, but which Olympic? Okay, pass. Anyone?
Javelin throw.
No. Okay, audience. It's very easy. I guess you remember about 2024.
Summer Olympics.
What? Can you take mic to him? Mic from her.
Summer Olympics and after that Paralympics.
Okay, Summer Olympic is correct. Okay, give him a pen. Now direct question to which school? Holy Faith Academy. Okay, your question is who is the Secretary General of United Nations? Who is the Secretary General of United Nations? Who is the Secretary General of United Nations? Time's up, pass. I think he's newly elected.
USA.
What? Who is the Secretary General of United Nations? Donald Trump. Donald Trump is the President of USA. Okay, anyone? Pass?
Xi Jinping.
No.
Antonio Guterres.
That is correct answer. Secretary General of the new Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. That is correct. Who is that? Which school? HDP High School. HDP High School man 10 points. We have pass question tag laptop. Audience along question ang lilihan mat board lodi. Okay, seems like the same question. Which country recently made significant reform to its immigration policy to attract skilled workers? Which country recently made a significant reform to its immigration policy to attract skilled workers? The time is running. Which country recently made significant reform to its immigration policy to attract skilled workers?
Japan.
No. It's not even in the option.
United Arab Emirates.
No, please.
USA, America.
No. Audience ready?
China.
Audience get ready?
New Zealand.
No, please.
South Korea.
No.
Yeah.
No.
France.
No, please. Yes, anyone? Still here, anyone?
Africa.
No. At least you try now.
China.
No, please. till here? Huh? Okay, no. Okay, audience, please. Audience, anyone? Which country recently made significant reform to its immigration policy?
Canada.
Canada is the correct answer. Yes, are you using your Google? Google is my usable. Okay, please give him a pen. Give him one pen. Now which school? Last one. Last one. Which country government declare a climate emergency and set ambitious carbon neutrality goals? Question is a little bit longer. I will read once again. Which country government declare a climate emergency and set ambitious carbon neutrality goals?
USA?
Sorry, it's close but not. Time's up. Any?
Mexico.
No, please. Yes.
India.
United Arab Emirates.
What? No, please. Yes, I already got. No, please.
Japan.
No.
Iran. Indonesia.
Australia.
Colombia.
No.
USA.
No.
France. Saudi Arabia.
No.
Russia.
No, any audience? Audience, please. Don't mind anyone. Anyone?
Question.
Okay, question. Which country government recently declared a climate emergency and set ambitious carbon neutrality goals? Just please calculate the marks and give the top 10.
We have one over here.
Huh?
Bhutan.
No. It's United Kingdom. Yes, if that one answer sheet is mark sheet is ready, then please give it to us. 10 school. It is little bit hard because it's an optional question, but we don't give the option. Okay? I'm very sorry for that. Cholo ma. Okay, after second round, after ending of the second round, we got only 8 schools. Only 8 schools will go to the next round. Only 8 schools. We are sorry for that because rest of the school scored 0. Rest of the school scored 0. So the school which I will be calling, you remain here, and the rest you can go to their respective on your chair. Yes or no? So the highest is HDP High School with 30 points. Highest is HDP High School for 30 points. HDP High School, raise your hand. Okay, HDP High School. Then second, there is we have 2 schools equal. That is Serdhun English School with 20 points. Serdhun English School, raise your hand. Yes. And then Nightingale English School. Yes, 20 points. Yes. And then we have 10 points, including Pranab Jubilee School, Pranab Jubilee College, and Little Flower School, and then Top Visionary School. Raise your hand, please. Okay. And Trade English High School, Koligao High School. Only this much. Those are the 8 schools. And the rest, we are very sorry. You try your luck in the next second Borjan education event. Okay? Yes, please. Hello. Okay, these are the 8 finalists for the quiz competition, and this is the 3rd round. Okay, in this round, listen properly. You will get 1 minute. 1 minute to answer the question. Okay, you will get 1 minute to answer the questions, and direct questions will get 30 points. Okay, 30 points. And the pass question, the question will pass to all the next school. After that audience, okay? And a pass question will get only 10 points. But if you fail to answer, if you answer the wrong answer, then you will get minus 10 from your points, okay? Direct question, if you answer the wrong question, a wrong answer, if you give the wrong answer, then you will also get minus 10. Is that clear? Clear? Chokoma, you will have only 1 minute. Technical please, 1 minute, set 1 minute. 1 minute there. Direct question, and it will be based on Karbi Anglong, okay? It will be interesting, yes or no? Okay, it will be based on Karbi Anglong. So the direct question goes to Nightingale English School. Okay. Time 7 day. Your direct question is, do you know Karbila Metamai? Karbila Metamai. Karbila Metamai is this organization. You will not given the option. This organization. What is Karbila Metamai? Karbila Metamai is this organization.
Yes, sir.
Karbila Metamai is this organization. What types of organization is this? Either political or either, yes. If you answer the wrong answer, then you will get minus 10. Okay, they give wrong answer, so their point will be minus 10. Their point will deduct. Solomon. Okay, direct question. Oh. Okay, no repeat of question. Yes, the first question to you. Only 10 seconds. Okay, I will repeat once. Listen, Karbila Metamai is this organization. You have to say what types of organization is Karbila Metamai. If you answer wrong, then you will get minus 10. Only 10 seconds, yes please. No, it's not correct. You'll get minus 10. Please, matapamino sa point below. TDP High School. TDP High School and 10 minus, huh? Only 10 seconds, please. If you don't know them.
Cultural.
No, it's wrong. You will get minus point. Cultural is a wrong answer. Karbilamena cultural organization kali. Okay, the audience, please. Audience will not get any minus. Yeah. The school, I mean, it's what? Shedun English School. Shedun English School. Shedun English School. Please deduct the mark. 10 points. Doma, audience, opinion, Doma. Karbilamena is this organization. Either literature, either political, social, either what is that?
Literature.
Okay, Miss Antagolo, it's correct answer. Miss Anapinema. Okay. Sorry. Audience sometimes is a a question to repeat it. Masapani Pani no. Okay, the same question only. Which school? Okay, who is the president of Karbi Cultural Society? Who is the present president of Karbi Cultural Society? Yes. Very easy. Think properly, you have 1 minute. Who is the president of Karbi Cultural Society? If you want to pass, then pass it. Okay, you have only 10 seconds.
Chandra Singh Group.
Oh, sorry. Minus for them for Aganda. Minus which school? Huh? Kultikam Model High School, please. Deduct. Wrong answer, please. This is first school. Lunsetimong is the founder president, I guess. Anyone? Audience, please. Yes, audience, I'm he is newly elected. Natum alhai opinion nangji. Update nangji.
Hum Singh Bay.
Okay, Hum Singh Bay is the correct answer. Please present him a gift. Okay, direct question to Koligao Model English School. Okay, that's direct question to Koligao Model English School. Who is the first Karbi? Who is the first Karbi? Who is the first Karbi recipient of the prestigious Padma Shri Award?
Rongbong Teron.
Okay, that's correct. Professor Rongbong Teron. Yes, 30 points, please. 30 points. 30 points. 30 points below mark. Yes, very lucky. Tomo minus sama logo. Okay, direct question to Freedom English School. Okay, you are very which Nithom school na lo? Nithom school ke? Dilai, okay. Name any 5 major river under Borjan constituency. Any 5? Name 5 river under which fall under Borjan constituency. Name any 5 river. Very easy. Any river, any. It is written any river. You can take your time. It's 1 minute. Name any 5 major river under Borjan constituency. Person 1 minute.
Pasa.
Okay. Borjan constituency are low eti. Langroy men pasta puta po puta po langroy men. Sorry, you will get minus point if you are answering like this then. Longit River is not in our constituency. Kataman 5 minutes, sir. Think properly. Nithom ya, think my chair. Nithom think my chair. Think lo. Lang roi men chi ya, tu lang chi mon de lang roi lo. Huh? Which one? Okay, you have to collect 5 river. Oh. 5 river to mave to malong. But we have already collected. We have already collected 5 river, which fall under Borjan constituency. It's a little bit hard. Yes, is there anyone? Okay. So the audience na opinion nilo so nilo. Okay, now direct question to that. PDP High School. Okay. Who is the present Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council? Who is the present Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council? Who is the present Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council? Very easy. I have to give a hint. Stop. Pass it out. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Who is the Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council? Anyone? Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council. He is an IAS officer. Anyone? Doma mane mana? Who is the Principal Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council?
The answer is correct or not, but I guess it is Dilip Teron. Dilip Teron.
No, sorry, it's wrong. It's he is only the secretary, I think. The Principal Secretary. Anyone?
Mukul Kumar Saikia.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. Mukul Kumar Saikia, IAS officer, is the correct answer. Now, direct question to Little Flower School. Aku mau ngalam puri ni jor jok cekal binglong pa sini alam sini di kelima. What is the total geographical area of Caribbean Long?
10,434
and
square kilometer.
Okay, that is correct answer.
Thank you. So please felicitate. Yes, thank you so much. And next is Judge for Skit Competition. That is Mr. Novin Rongpi. Chairman Borjan constituency to please integrate.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected judges, the organizer, anchors, teachers, and all the students present over here. I'm Shruti Guru and I'm standing here to represent my school, Top Visionary Residential School. My topic is about wildlife and the title of my poem is Voice of Nature. So I'll begin now. The truth that whispers in the breeze, protect us children, if you please. We give you air, we give you shade. Oh, what a beautiful home the earth has made. So plant a tree and let it grow. To have the world we all love and know. The trees make the earth a home so fair. Let's show the love for the trees and so we care. Thank you. And this poem is written by me with the help of internet. Thank you.
Next we have Sonyo Jishing Rekma from Life Foundation School. She'll be followed by Machingiri Bay from Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School.
Respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sonyo Jishing. I'm at 9th standard and I'm from Life Foundation School. The title of my poem is Equality and the writer of the poem is Robert Longley. Just beneath the surface, the cells all look the same. There is no race or pronouns, no need to call them names. Close your eyes to see them. Achievements look alike. They each can lead a country, write a book or ride a bike. When our eyes are open, we don't always see the truth. We see with a slang and bias imposed within our youth. Learning makes us better, changing the way we feel, leading new perspective that lets us see what's the real. Thank you.
Our next contestant is Machinkiri Bay from Pranab Ju.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone present here and all my dear friends and my fellow beings. Today I am standing here to take this opportunity on the event of poem recitation. My name is Machinkiri Bay and I am the student of Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School, Class 12 Art. So, the title of my poem is Freedom. This poem is composed by myself with the help of my ex-high school teacher. Freedom. My father fought for my freedom's life with truth and love, his only might. No sword he raised, no gun he bore, yet changed the world forevermore. He wore no crown, he sought no fame, yet heart both gently at his name. Sorry, thank you.
Good morning, my dear respected judges, teachers, and everyone present here. My name is Chepatirpi from Manjal Senior Secondary School. Today I am standing here to recite a poem, India is Great by Assam. Diversity is tremendous, it is great. This is the reason that India is great. Culture and tradition, different are the faith, but India celebrates everyone's festival. Love and compassion, humanity are the trait. This is the reason that India is great. Thank you.
And about thank you the opportunity and a very good afternoon to all respected judges and respected organizer and respected other school college teacher and to all my brothers and sisters. Today I am going to recite myself Rahul Timu. We are from Mirjang Assembly School and I read in class 8. Today I am going to recite a poem. The title of the poem is My Native Land. He asked me, the old man by the street, blind, lonely, and pulls at me. Tell me what my land is like. Breathe, Coca, I say preach it. The worm ale that reminds you of your childhood friend is what shaped your native land. After last night, endless thunder and rain, it's a peaceful breeze of your land. That's all, thank you.
The question just once. What is the characteristic of sound that determines its loudness? You have 30 seconds to answer. Second question. Question for the second group, that is Hiripi High School. A very, very easy question. The question is, who discovered cells?
Robert Hooke.
And the answer is correct. It is Robert Hooke. And they get 10 points. Hiripi High School. And you have another easy question. Hopefully Maybe you have studied. This is all from the science section, as you're aware. The question is, what is the formula for ammonia? What is the formula for ammonia? Ammonia is not an element, it is a composition. So it has a formula. The chemical composition. We have KDP High School. Clap for them. And we break for lunch. Thank you.
For the last 2 days, and if we count today's onward, it will be 3 days. For the first 3 days, we have been working so diligently. Of course, everyone knows that health is such an important matter, right? So they will work on those. School kita nanti apa lo?
Lalu ti, ID tiolo, kupion sosi, thuder wale titilo. Turbo, apordo o ilan.
Tomo, turno.
Papen po kita lo.
Oh, ito po.
Oko karteng, oko sesara. Dako school yang mana paling na? Dako jengke hong dam sina. Dako dah. Kuson oko karteng, itung cumi ason ban ma. Non kidu tek tindu. Ban lo tiko, dan tek ting ni lang ma. Kuson oko sekarang di nueta tangka padorun ni jadi tiga lasli nang tadi tha lagi mata nang nilu tiko tangka kini dulu padang ma Opai, pini ke depan tangka nang pidun tha. School hem kacirong opan pidun nang hitang ho.
Kau lopo kenang jike.
Paru po bang tang opai.
Sopo nilang gamang.
Pini ke neta tangka long pon cipulela ho. Kalau puisa,
soalnya ni pini tu mendis, puisa mana ni wan be kote, do krai lah.
Oko karteng, pini kini long sa tangka dulu ke parupo.
Oko kalang ma,
laki.
Itu ke sini laki, dah.
Lason siang ni dampong lang bom lo besarang pengkarteng ta tenang ding siragi ahor murim tum bom lo lason bom school hem mathan bang aturas ki so puchini dun si pangteng dun si school hem along apaya ko san palo.
sarpi.
Oh, pinamnang ito. School head ng hubring ikjima.
Oh, ko piniakam to makai pi.
Oh, pinabay nun si Tana.
To mo pinabai po inte. Taho sarpi itum han ke school head hanbang atum lang kya. Pinabang beg nang si taho.
Eh, kopi ka mo ni Disar Bora.
Mo pinabang ito dito. Ano bang ibang si makai pi?
Oh, bang ino. Songi ika.
Ko piniakam to makai pi nili tumhan school hem nang kya ike.
Nili nang kano lang pigila puhen lo. Nang ikso po penajer po ki trans to ki hino na hormusi chodun den lo.
Kalang ha kya pi.
Kalang lo. Nili tumar ni tingkoy pelo pang pegdun ko pa ko mahusita mi aning nang chibi tunde lo. Aning nang chibi tunde lo penkan tawang may pinating si Teron.
Kalang ha kya pi. Nili tum ke hemen ke nang toy dun biar ki. Ke nang dia son doan sita me nang lo dun bom lo. Nang sini dun masar pi.
Chibi tunde sarboran ke.
Tane ko son la kya pi. Nili tum ke khirak nang rok jeno bo. Lapu sonar ni kheno na kele roke.
Ko pulang nang ikso po kan ke adai ko ke bi pon te khelo.
To dam sulai te kya pi.
Ai ni kang sang lapor. Apa ya po hem chilero pe na pi sarang ma pa na po bang aning kino.
Besaram, oh besaram, dada banao. Pilo po. Kopilo kalilo, nang pan school em tantang nang itandu, nang araki or musik chodun pute. Lapai na school em to, dodun dede titik pute. Lasola baho kali makala.
Kali ahok kali po, mikhang ato nang ipu ke ahok kali. Handang mikhang alike kita projun nang itu. Nipai apang arjunon he ni school dumbang indike.
Nang sini tu masarpi.
Hemben ke school dun ber ani nang tada. Oh tada, ke sarang dress ke chopuchi. Police hatuk chimi si be sarang ma phan ke ponchi apa na hem humri dang lo.
Nang bangdo, hemang bangdo ma.
Kumatong ke bang nilo ni ho. Ana daprang.
Nang lisupo kenala.
Kecamai bo kya ni supo fan ke.
Jadi tum birata orjulong nang lisupo ke, dak itu tum tum birata lo.
Kalang ha, akha.
Kalang lo. Nang lisupo pan ni tum di ponsi pan sikirang lo, nampai no.
Sarpi, oh Sarpi, jo itu mem ke pulis atum bang amlo. Esupo ke araki hormu ke chodun ho. Lasi supo ban ke pon bota ho.
Eh, kopi ha sarbora. Police to mang ha mai ke. Oh, hai ha. Nili to me ke raton se.
Lahai ni tum sini le, jadi tum ke angsong pen order lang lo lasi ke bang lo. Non ke nang lisupo pan ponang toy no.
Nili to ke ba ave, hem no ave.
Ave bebo, thudhela kahai bo.
Ave si ave.
Ba, kulipan boy, latung puke koi kelo. Hemang lo dari bang kita.
Nang lunut.
Kamu lagi apa?
Something. Are you mingling with your friend Neha and Ravi again?
Yes, Mom.
I think they are not good towards you. Please
away from them.
It's okay, Mom. No need to worry about it.
Oh, okay.
You're fine.
Okay. Okay.
Next day, Mohan's friend Ravi and Neha planned to spoil him because of their jealousy. Neha and Ravi greeted him with a mischievous grin.
Hey Ravi, you heard some news? Look, Mohan is getting top in all the subjects, but look at us. We are fail in all the subjects. We have to do something to him.
Hey Mohan, come here once. Yes, Ravi and Neha.
Hey Mohan, we heard it. You are getting top in all the subjects. We have to celebrate, okay?
I think I won't be able to come and join Neha because I need to go home and study again. What study every time? You need to enjoy sometime. Okay then, I'll inform my mom.
No, it's okay. No need to inform your mom. It will take time. And don't worry about money. We'll treat you.
Okay then, let's meet in the evening. Come, let's go now.
After school was over, Mohan joined Ravi and Neha. This was the time when Mohan gets involved in taking drugs too.
This is a magical pill. If you eat this, you'll become more brilliant. You want to try?
Yes, sure, I want to try. I feel like I'm flying now. That's why this is known as magical pill. Please bring me some of that. I want to try again.
Later that night,
Hey, Mohan, what happened to you? Why you are talking like this?
Leave me alone, Mom.
Hey, why you are acting like this? What happened? What happened to my son? I know it's because of Rafi and Neha. They are the one who's making my son like this.
Ba bin school tidak perang di baga bajika itu tu ya.
Ojipo, dapat hati.
Tidak tak?
Dah cuba.
Pilih orang dulu lagi.
Cuma saya, cuma saya formula di enjoy po.
Next one ni lah.
Jom lah.
Nang lelo mapu. Oh, nang lelo yo. Jom thapo dah. Cuba. Lasan si Ari bathon lo. Buthon ada.
Loki pinjam sudah masuk deh.
Dunsi kibang lo. Boleh sekolah dah boleh. Oh, thapo dah. Dah lihat kami thapo. Itu ini example beriko.
Ojipo, dapat hati.
Bila kau nak ni?
So, pinjam lah. Korban raksu hati.
Kalau try lang po. Itu lah cumi pig.
Curi lagi. Depan.
Atau cuma lah cumi ni. Wah, kopi tu kau lagi. Nang than peri, the war suding tank point gadi. Kena yang lepo yo. Oh, tempu. Lasan si, hiti rui ni api.
Olong ki pinjam sudah masuk deh.
Oh, tunpo, kibang lo. Nama depo. Oh, tempu. Bini ke mana deh?
Ban melodi, usaha deh. Usaha mana deh pena itu.
Kau ni gitu tero. Asal dah.
Melodi pena bano ni order ni po.
Macam ni lang depo di pagi ni.
Oh, tu mana deh?
Apa? Kenapa ni buhita bela lah si paisa anu tu deh. Ceteng ni. Lasan si buthara dah. Oh, pai. Paisa nang pinta. Buhi ke nam pha.
One bag nanti rampo.
150 bag nahi dot pen buhita bipen nahi.
Long kia pulang ke nang pulangan jodoh. Long kia pulang itu pupuk sana jidang pupuk tidak pernah bilang ho.
Kau anak pupuk kenang jike. 150 na jipu. Oh, dah pun ni orang jarang orang cilang ilan te. Opo, laan ba yun? Sabi dun pa may opo. Sabi dun pa may po.
Long ki pinjam sudah masuk deh.
Kailangan dadama. Oh, school dia tu. Pilih kau tak naik exam tu mesti.
Ojipo, bisa malu pak?
Oh,
Malu.
luar.
Sedap ke 200 bet ke? Jangan ni jipo lo nak kerja sampai kilo.
Kanan ni dia baik. Oh, helan ya lo. Ni pi heman lo diri. Puri kami. Kalang apa? Oh, itu. Oh, pinjil lah, hom ni cuda pun. Oh, domes channel. Kiti rui ni channel ke pupe dah pun. Pinna berusaha lah ho. Sonsi, ani sama por lah. Dono siang, rasa kau betul betul lah ho. Tapi boleh ni pai pe kau le jorang meeting le. lung peti apa yang itu lah sila tapi kok joram thap naik to
Kopi aki sum lopo.
sini ni joram thap naik to lah sio lagi jor
Oh, ni poisa celang lang depo. Kopo, pharo phome ju sama.
oh jor ram ta
Oi topo.
hello
Hello.
oh yo poisa dulu guna nang do ke
हेलो भाई मानो ना अरे भाई सामान लेके तो अरे भाई ऊपर से मानो ना अरे भाई ऊपर से मानो ना बंदा
चल ना मेरे साथ सामान लेने जाएगा स्टिंग भी पिलाएगा चल
ठीक है भाई बाद में मिलते हैं
ठीक है चल भाई तू यहाँ रुक मैं सामान लेके आता हूँ
स्टिंग मत भूलना
ठीक है चल भाई सामान निकाल
पैसा है कि नहीं है
कर मत ले चल दोस्त
क्या लेने गया था
अरे कुछ नहीं बस सामान ले
कहाँ है मेरा स्टिंग
अरे बाद में दिला देगा ना चल यहाँ पे बैठेगा मुझे
थोड़ा गेम खेलते हैं
ले तू भी ट्राई कर
नहीं तू खा
लेना भाई एक बार तू खाएगा ना आसमान में उड़ने लग जाएगा
नहीं ये गलत है तू खा
ठीक है Simple. The wrong turn.
मेरा दोस्त बुला रहा है घूमने जाएगा
ना जल्दी घर आना बहुत सारा
ठीक है
चल चल भाई निकाल
पैसा है कि नहीं है
भाई इस बार पैसा नहीं है
मेरे को तो कुछ भी चलेगा
काम चलेगा क्या
चलेगा नहीं दौड़ेगा
ये ले भाई दारू पी
ये तो गलत चीज है ना
ले ना भाई ट्राई कर ले भाई तू भी ट्राई कर ले चल कर हाँ ऐसे कर
अरे भाई दर्द हो रहा है
कुछ नहीं होगा कुछ देर बाद तो आसमान में उड़ेगा
चल ठीक है चलते
हो गया चल देगा भाई ये पकड़ कहाँ है मेरा बाइक
की देखो ना कैसी किसे का क्या चलो ना हालत ठीक नहीं तू घर का अरे तू कौन होता है
बोला ना घर का ए भाई किसको मारता है ए
अरे हम देवा भाई का आदमी है चल दोस्त
chepatirpi abang thu hem rin me sen chu buchi long dia phan dai ki sai ki klen chepatirpi bonta mi thang sai chilang de ramat asumar dong lang ka chardi la pe ka chilana sai bang chilang krang a joy ni tangka maha hem rin me sen sitami asumar abang dong lang a sai ni mi det lo
Serpi itu makai long kai ki klaim ka chepadup si hem rin la pen kichu na sai anda hakimi si chunan ki bu
kalang lo sabura isumar atum thanda pakai hem kim pilap nangji la pen ke ong hana weji arju thek the ma
kalang lo Serpi ai Serpi kai ki la ni kam kang dat ka chepadup tan dele pisinang minta nang la Om ti, hai sumara tumapan patah dia na polo.
Sumara tumda ko na dong kidam ermani. Arni sarpo sardu la penani nang tijun.
Saidu, oh Saidu, nang bangko maho.
Oh, tu. Saidu tu. Kau hemai lo apa kita? Ini tak.
Oh, apa betul? Ini mutum kemen senang tu. Kopi akam tu ni.
Ni mua tu, senyam lo si doa yang mubak dua mah pun itu kan ni.
Ani sia lo nang saya juga. Jam pasti itu. Dolang ni, belum ni. Dolang pun tak berapa.
Dolang pun Serpi, ribidam thada.
Oh, itu.
Oh, ni bojo. To hemar do an wang kita. Serpi, oh Serpi. To ni paling ngoi wan kita deh.
Oh, neneng bojo. Tang de jong ni tha ni hemar lo sai do chatla. Ba mo pe nang ma tu chi yo ma pu sai di du se chi kya lo chi pe ke.
Oh, jo bini sai du ki wan chi. Oh, ni nai pini akam ni si dak ni li heman ki wan ki mani.
La dak an jo na ni du boy jon ban jo chi me ni pu ki ban.
Ah, vi ni no lom ni li hem ki wo wol lom le.
Oh. Ni bo ma tu. Rong a sor le than. A hong ni kan ni le just children jai ku te.
Hit ni lai ke nang ni da kar ju long tak le. Nili sumar ke la son chiplang ti. Nili sumar ki chin ki me pik pik ah.
Kami sai tu ni ka ju lu lo. Ni sumaro ano bai ka prang prong lo ka jil pu tum pe.
Kuna tang lu ma ko pu la hai ke. Nili sumar ke la hai chiplang tap te la dang la hai amu rang we lam nang thana re ni.
Oi ta sai tu do tha.
Oni, do bai jo long ik lo ma.
Abelo, tata abelo, bai tu ta abelo.
Ko tang de sai tu. Do bai nam ko ta pini lang. Doi tha.
Oi to sai jo da.
Ini ka dam chilang de.
Oi to ni.
Chilam ta tabula. Isumar ke salam ka hinula. Lagi lasu school ke padulong le lupa.
I survey nang takamata si pasumaran ma. Bang bang sumata go men school along get mission dun hora ki dun benda thek bom lo. Itu ma sumata ki thek ji bulo de thek bo.
Chok la bunda intene an tunam la.
Oi to survey ni ta sa kon bar lang de.
Kaprega ni tangi dada prang hem kai ko.
Pai, opa.
Kopila po.
Ni room nang padam nang si room dam kirim dam bo.
Ne dim lo le po.
Ibu dang ang tabay na si ibi ko lo.
Ne thang ta nang sini dun de po.
Nang pachol na na ibi ke.
Ne sini ne.
Nang padem nang pachol na kung lo.
Nang pai tham na kong thừa ham tiền, đối với chế hàng của chúng ta phải bằng những cái đèn lúa phi kế long leo mà bạn đã support để đón ta cái đồ long và chỉ đồ hàng công là bé, à thu cho chú sĩ đồ lộc. Tang eta support phang chỉ đến số sĩ, à đang chỉ đang address, đang sĩ phải cho năng công lộc.
La pondra ha bedroom nem cho jam dan nang pondra nang de po.
Kaprega ini biar la pen, ada foto, kasih tong pen, lang kasih.
Sindu, Sindu.
तुम्हारे अच्छे स्कूल में एडमिशन हो गया है, पढ़ लिख कर हमारा नाम रोशन करना। हाँ, मेरे यहाँ क्लास सदा तुम्हारे साथ रहेगा। जी वो। चलो, मैं खाना लगा रही हूँ। आप कुछ मान खाना?
खाना किधर है? खाना दे दो।
आजा।
पानी ला दो पानी।
हे। ठीक है।
आज तुम ये स्कूल में नया रखते हो, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम चिंटू है और तुम्हारा नाम?
हमारा नाम हम्बा है, इसका नाम तो चंपा है।
अच्छा। आज कितना देर बड़ी
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस।
Morning, good morning, sit down.
थैंक यू मिस।
And for your roll call, roll number 1,
मिस।
number 2, roll number 3.
मिस।
Take out your copy and write. Okay, go at your room, okay?
Good morning miss।
Good morning, sit down.
Thank you miss।
Today you have exams, you know now?
Yes।
This one, your roll call. Number 1.
Friend miss।
Number 2.
Friend miss।
Number 3.
Friend miss।
Okay. Take this. Oh.
Alangli more alangli ki ar ki pangjang ki gajani si gelong pamo the choro part piglo school third prize of the group song top visionary residential school for receiving the third prize of group song competition. They are receiving 1,000 cash prize. Second place high school. Okay, now the winner of the group song competition CDP has 3,000 prize. CDP High School. You did so well, and you really deserve this prize, and congratulations. Debate competition, so you are kindly requested to collect the prize money and certificate from Mr. Teron. School, you got the first position in the debate competition. Yes, they are doing very hard work, and also they are doing with full dedication. That's why. Make some noise! Competition, handwriting competition along. In handwriting competitions, the third position, the third prize goes to Sebalin Pangchopi from Little Flower School. Third prize goes to Sebalin Pangchopi from Little Flower School. They will receive these prizes from the Mr. Bapuram Rong. Also, the certificate from Mr. Bapuram Rongpi. So they will also receive their prizes from Mr. Bapuram Rongpi. Nona bangke keceng sianong la bangke handwriting competition lo keceng sianong ke cepolong pon la ke Green Valley School pen kusum terompi the first person. Okay, suringe thau nonge longpon la tumba si la tumba suring thau nonge longpon po. Congratulations. Bobby piglo bo suring ke bang le loma party chom bang le suring ke suring ko bang le lo po.
Happy. Okay, congratulations everyone. Okay, so non-idutsi.
Second prize, science exhibition along la bangke Borjan so EDP High School. Along donasi long la pen la bangke Binong kita na school bola Little Flower High School. Okay, la Nithom Little Flower High School, KDP High School.
The third prize of dance competitions goes to Oliver Academy on winning the third prize of dance competition.
Smile.
Patriotic dance ke dance hek nai tum lo is follow pon lo selang itu man suruh pon itu.
Okay. Very happy with me now.
They are receiving the prize amount of rupees 2,000 along with certificate.
Give a big smile.
Woo! Cheer up for the Global School. Woo! Congratulations, Global Wisdom English School. You will receive 2,000 cash prize money and certificate from Mr. Teron. Ceropat piglo, nang ditumhan buson ga cepayan thega. EDP High School. 1,000. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Chok pig pig po 15,000 ge dot pig up. Ini soal Teron, agak Borjan nanti, agak Robin Rompi yang nanti boleh dan sila pasal orang cedek konpo. That's I request all the teachers of EDP High School to come along with the students. All the teachers, all the students, all the teachers. Congratulations, EDP High School on winning the second prize of the first Borjan Education Mega Event.
Make some noise!
Make some noise!
noise! Make some noise! Woo!
Thank you, guys.
So the school team is 2. Come on, Cinema. Okay. Presenting to you the best school team of the first Borjan Education Mega Event. That is Little Flower School. I request all the team of Little Flower School along with the teachers. I request all the team of Little Flower School along with the teachers to come on the dais. I request sister and also I request father, I request brother and I request everyone of Little Flower School. I request whole team of Little Flower School to come on the dais and they will receive the prize from Mr. Binong Teron, Mr. Bapuram P, Mr. Hemari Teron and all the guests. Congratulations Little Flower School. I request the father, also sister, also brother and everyone. We will have a great picture because we create a history for organizing the first Borjan Education Mega Event. Congratulations. They will receive the prize from Mr. Binong Teron, Mr. Bapuram P, Mr. Hemari Teron. And also all the guests will join on this photo session.
If I can do it, why you can't? Right. So my dear friend, those students, those schools who have not getting prizes, so don't worry. Next year also there, right?
Handwriting. Wow. How was the experience? Huh? Usul lo, Nithom program nggak mesen mah?
Oh, mesen.
Hah, ningarong lo? Oh, mama lo, nangtung bangkuan lo ke bang? Teacher tu dulu. Oh, okay. From which school?
Manja Senior Secondary School.
Okay. How much prize did you get?
Good evening everyone. Mega event 2025.
Prize pona next time, huh? Next year, huh? Kuntu school prize ada mana?
Penkewan students itu. Nang itu pencam dan nang itu.
Kena kuat lagi sih, kena kuat lagi sih. অনুভৱ tu kuat.
Pasal express long.
ভাল লাগিছে? 3 দিন no? Miss koriba neki tu program tu? Miss koriba? Aji ঘৰত গলে miss koriba program tu? ঠিক. Prize long le. Next year. You try next year. From huh? No.
La persona bang pu bang.
Hoy ko hat nahi dili. Nore yar.
Anso se anam long hill jumi ham dan pinang lang. Anso se litam ham meset la persona platform. Nakiban long kacara baca tu ni kenang sabdo.
From which school?
Mohajong nang litum. Drama la so play long penangan pek long. Acha ka bang ke environment ka.
Nang tu ke mas school lo. Huh? Long ma price long ma long le. Pilo long ke? Which long sila? Pilo first ma second la. Okay. Kusol experience ke? Nithom mesen. Ninga rong lo ma. Lason program do wear nang ma do wear nang le. Do wear nang podi. Oh nang tum bang kon ke bang student.
Lahai bang ke nang litum bahat tak drama long.
Nah long nun mo nang ke? Congratulations. Kusol lo miss kusol lo how was the experience?
The experience was very good.
Very good na? Okay. Will you miss the program if you go home tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you next year. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Or some school they are not capable of getting any award and they are getting emotional also and they don't want to participate the next year. What would you like to say for them?
And I would like to say to them is never give up.
Yeah.
In life there are really many challenges, but we need to know the ability to face the challenges. If we don't face the challenges, then we won't be able to get success. Failure, dream big, believe in yourself, stay positive and enjoy the journey.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello guys, kusolo prize long le.
Yo ni chai aketi ban sikang hong ma.
Huh?
Prize aketi sikang hong ma.
Okay, from which school you guys are?
Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School.
Huh?
Bokajan.
Bokajan. Okay. Some students they are getting emotional because they are not getting an award or they are not capable of getting any award. So they are emotional and they don't want to participate the next year. What would you like to give a strong message to them?
Never give up.
Yeah. Okay.
Believe in yourself.
Yeah.
Don't be sad.
Yeah.
Keep up.
Okay. Will you guys miss this program if you go tonight home?
Yes. Because this is the last year for us.
Oh, class 10?
No, 12. Second
Oh,
year.
12.
Yeah.
So you guys are getting farewell from that particular institution.
Yes.
So what do you like to give a strong message to your principal and to all your teaching staff?
All the best.
Okay, thank you. Hello guys. Hello. Kusan lang nante. Prize long le. Long. Pipi lo. Huh? Okay. Ito ka tungi kelong le po aning chipoy pon school tu maning chipoy pon. Halang tuhan pilo puji. Oh, lalodi. Okay. Kusolo, how was the experience? 3 days program. How was the experience? Kusolo experience ke chelong hai. Kami ningarong lo madidi. Next year donai ma donang ne. Okay lah. Kusolo tu. Kado dari cara mai. How was the experience?
It was very nice.
Anong ikelong abang pu Binong Teron akihai. Labang somai long na chetong dun. Amlok here Sports Association amai pu bapuram rong pia kihai. Anpada kopai kime pe na chetong dun. Labang so education mega event ajay mek ki bilong po. Bong Binong Teron asar bura Nelly Fulo Emery Teron akihai Karbilo Chalia song Akong Chunbang Desoy Teron akihai Anpada jutang jubada hin kacepadu Borjan Karbilo jutang song hawaramay lo aklembang fu Anpada Karbilo Chalia song ja lo Karbiang long lai bapherang ke Bikrom Teron akihai Apransi kaduka wepan lapona por kyong na tong nang dodona por chorot piklo Borjan angkang ahina school pen kewan hanbang ato lapen nili gaching honnai nili bong mumar students are doan ato mapan kachoro je pajeriglo apor dopiglo por bhai troxy lo aposi nangle tumda hen kache dam nang je apor nangle tanglo tahai tangchir kalang ita do tahai pomane setane lahai om do ato ke la lapen tangchir kalang ita ing bola pason bensin nang thek dong long nong e kelong nangle tum ning karong nang thek dong long nilipini apor ki me pe nangle tum phan nang ke thanun gantung bang la hen lo kachuru si kantung po ason tin setane Aprang siya bangke nili bong mumar tuman ke thangang tung bangke lahen lo la bong Binong Teron apan alam pensin nili thambo isi coach do when you educate one person you can change a life when you educate many you can change the world la bong Binong alang lo texter lo alang graduate lo alang Rajasthan chali dam lo sakuri claim na dojo eta chok kela mesen na sakuri claim nang po government along non private along non mesen na job mesen na sakuri claim mo piso eno asumar phan chelana non la puna chok Sida lasona bang tu kali dendo. Ne nut thek lo polo tante kapre katung da nang thek dunang jipu kamatha labangso aning kun kedo banglo nilibong binong teron